Shamil Gaziev is set to go down against Greg Velasco, and Shamil Gaziev riding a score of 10-0, 6'3", fighting out of Manama, Bahrain. I'm gonna tell you one thing, this guy is no joke. He knocked out Darko Stosic, he knocked out Pavel the Elite, Kirill Kornilov, and unfortunately, I know you would like me to troll this guy, but he is the real deal. This guy is the real deal. Gonna fight another real deal, Greg Velasco, 6'0", 6'2". Greg Velasco is also a finisher. He's got dangerous punches. He is a submission expert, and I can tell you that he scored victories over great names. Unfortunately, Gaziev was having victories over better names, and he's got a knockout ability. He's got big right hand, very, very hard to knock down, very hard to knock out, and he's got some power. So I believe Gaziev has greater potential to win, but I mustn't underestimate Velasco's knockout power. So I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Unfortunately, I think Gaziev will be the first ever UFC fighter from Bahrain, so Shamil to win.